In today's video, I will show you one of the easiest ways to make money online with CPA marketing, and you can use this method successfully even if you are a beginner. First, I must say that you can use this method with complete success in getting CPA grip. You can also use it on ads to make maximum ads, CPA lead, CPA build, max bounty, OGD ads. Apply to other CPA affiliate network. But like I said, since this is a simple tutorial, I'm going to use CPA. The first thing we need to do is find a CPA suggestion. For example, let's just say that I want to promote offers for the US market. So there they select the country that I want to advertise in. Then what I have to do is actually here I click on checkout, and now CPA is totally customized. These offers are sorted from highest paying to lowest paying. Now I need to find the offer CPA that I want to promote. For example, I want to promote this offer here. Get a $500 Walmart gift card. Let me just say I want to promote this offer. I have to do this, actually copy the title, and we have to paste it into Notepad because you're going to need it later. Copy the CPA affiliate link and paste it here in the Notepad because we will need it later. And also what I need to do is to right click on this image that opens in a new tab, because actually I want to download this image. Click on save image here and save this image. Later in the video you can see why I really need this image. The next thing I have to do is actually I have to find a high quality, high value article, and in a minute it's going to be WaysTo. What I have to do together, they have to go here on Google, and here I have to do the thing search that is related to shopping, saving, or something like that. For example, I can search something like how to save money while shopping. Here we can find many really useful and really valuable articles. So for example, I'll just say I want to use this article here. I'll open it in a new tab to check if this article is really readable. If people really enjoy reading this article and it brings useful, so here you can see this is a good title. They open it with a picture. This is actually a good picture, so I have to check this article to see if it's really a good article, so it looks like a good article. What I need to do is really need to scroll to top of the page and copy this text here, link to this article. The next thing I need to do is go to a website called Exit Bar, where you can see how to add a call to action to any article you can find Google or your article published in local media outlets or on your blog or website or wherever you actually publish that article or found that article. You need to sign up for a free account, and then you have to click here on difficult because you want to go to your dashboard, and then you have to click here on manage link, and actually we want to add a new link. So click here, create a new link. It's the web, and here we need to add link to the article you find. In Google, I simply find that article as you can see here, and now click here, edit this further. Here you can see the link name. Now the link name is visible only to us and no one else see, but I can say something like, for example, a gift card. Of course, you name it differently so you can know what this article is, what is this link actually saying. This is only visible to you. This is the link here. You can choose a pop-up. I leave it as a simple pop-up. You can also use banner products display. I leave it as a simple pop-up. We use it very well. The content that's really important, and then click next step here because we need to go to the next step now. Here we need to add a title, so I'm just going to go back here and simply copy this title, and here I'm going to paste. Okay, again I'm actually going to copy this first line from here and I'm going to paste it here. Here you can choose the dimension of your pop-up. If you want to just move this slider here, you can change it, but like I said, I'm going to leave it as your pop-up location. I'll leave it as top right, but you can center left or right choose. As I said, I put it on the top right. I don't want any delay, but you can also choose a research, and you can just say I want to use research. Okay, for example, just say wish to use research. I will make one no sound, means people really visit this website in the top right center. After a second, my shop, my pop-up is showing right. So here we zoom in on the pop-up effect. For example, let's say use the duration of the effect is 1 second. Leave it as 1 second, which is usually the best, but you can also reduce it or increase it. For example, by 1.7 seconds. Here you can choose colors. I usually do nothing. I want to it here, but as we said, you can change the colors of the text if you want. This is really important, so pay attention to the bottom text here. We need to add our title to our CPA offer. So for example, we can say something like this nice template URL. Here we need to add our CPA affiliate link, so I simply copy this link and paste it back here, where you can choose the colors. I leave it as it is. No, here you should see the content animation, so you can leave it too, but like I said, you can test these things here to see what results you will actually get. I'm just in 4 seconds. They say you don't really need to do anything, and here you see the image is displayed. Now you want to use the image. Okay, so click here, and here you have to upload an image, so put this image, give it a good center position, leave it as in auto close center. You don't need to do anything here. Then click next step, my background effects, leave it as nothing. You can choose one of these, but I leave it as neither. You have to experiment with different things to see what gives you the best result. Promote the effect time more. I believe it's 5 seconds because I actually chose, so it doesn't really matter. And then just click here on the create link, and they all create this link, and this is what we have to do. Actually, we have to, I'm going to start promoting my exit bar link that actually leads to this page here that provide great value, which may actually appear with my CPA offer affiliate link, and it's shown. So what you can do is you can simply go to Facebook and find related Facebook groups in this case, and you can share your checkout link on this purchase in this related Facebook groups. And you can also share it on Twitter, you can also share it on Pinterest.